Hi, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Ravine Keikos, and I work for the County of San Diego. We live in an increasingly digital world, and there are many times when you may not be easily able to leave your home, whether due to a pandemic, an injury, or just a busy schedule at home. These how-to videos have been created to supply you with resources for how to use different mobile applications. So today, I'm going to share with you a great free resource called UCLA Mindful. With this easy-to-use app, you can practice mindfulness meditation anywhere, anytime with the guidance of the UCLA Mindful Awareness Research Center. Scientific research shows mindfulness can help manage stress-related physical conditions, reduce anxiety and depression, and it can help improve overall physical health and well-being. This app can be downloaded to your mobile phone. So let's get started. Before we begin with the presentation, there are a few tips I want to go over with you guys. First, while we are going through this video, I encourage you to follow along on your own device. Second, feel free to grab a pen and paper and take notes throughout this tutorial. And lastly, please pause or rewind this video at any time if you want to follow the process at a slower pace. The first thing you will do is go to the App Store on your mobile device. For Android users, this is called Google Play. And for iPhone users, this is called App Store. Once you open the App Store, you will press search and type UCLA Mindful. Once the app pops on your screen, you will install it into your phone, shown like this. After you have downloaded UCLA Mindful, you will see this screen. Go ahead and select Getting Started. You can watch the videos to guide you through the meditation. You can choose a video by pressing on the play button. You can check on the back button to go back to the main screen. After select Basic Meditation, you can choose your preferred language, English or Spanish. Then we can click on the desired meditation. For today, I'll choose the breathing meditation by clicking on the play button. You can press on play or pause by checking on here, and the two arrows are to go back or move forward with the audio. You can click on the back button to go back to the basic meditation. Click on the back button again and it will take you to the home page. Secondly, we will look into the broadcast at the Hammer. Every Thursday, the Mindful Awareness Research Center holds a free 30-minute meditation session. You can choose the desired meditation. You can also see all the available broadcasts by clicking on here. You can either search what you want to meditate for, or you can scroll down to find all the available free meditations. Now let's go back by clicking on the back button twice to go back to the home page. And this time, we will click on the timer. You can custom your own meditation and select on the time you want to meditate for. You can either select from the time listed here, or you can click on Custom. For today, we will select the 2 minutes. And after, click on Start. After your time is up, you should hear a bell. Thank you for joining me today. Below this YouTube video in the description, you will find the UCLA Mindful website link, which includes how to contact their customer service department in case you need additional support, how to contact the County of San Diego if you have further questions about the specific training, and links to access our YouTube video trainings. These videos were created to advance the Live Well San Diego vision for a region that is building better health, living safely and thriving. Thank you and continue to live well, San Diego.